You've spent hours memorizing English words, perfecting your grammar, and practicing pronunciation. But when it comes to speaking English, you still can't speak confidently. What if I told you there is a secret, a second mind that holds the key to confident English speaking? Today, we're gonna dive into the hidden world of your subconscious mind and how you can use both your conscious and subconscious mind to make your English journey more effective. Let's start. Imagine your mind is like an iceberg. The part of the iceberg that you can see above the water represents your conscious mind, which is the part you're aware of and use for thinking, learning, and problem solving. Now, the larger part of the iceberg below the water is your subconscious mind. This is the part of your mind that works behind the scenes, storing memories, habits, emotions, and it influences your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors without you being fully aware of it. This is why when you want to speak English confidently, you need to learn how to manage and access this part of your brain too. Speaking English confidently isn't all about knowing the language perfectly on a conscious level. Part of it has to do with your confidence level, your personality, being shy or introverted, and everything that goes in here that does not concern your knowledge. This is the most important cycle you need to manage for any form of success, including speaking English confidently. Thoughts, emotions, behaviors. Our thoughts make us feel a certain way, and our feelings makes us act a certain way, and our actions make us think the initial thought, and this cycle gets stronger and stronger every time. If you don't learn how to consciously manage this cycle, your subconscious mind will manage it for you automatically with negative feelings. Why? Because through evolution, our mind has learned to search for the negative so that we can survive and stay alive. That's why we see and react to negativity more automatically. Let me give you an example. When we start speaking in a different language, the automatic thought is, what if I say something wrong? Or what if others judge me or laugh at me? You start to feel stressed. Your stress will make you act in an embarrassing way, and acting that way will make you think more of the negative thought. And you create this vicious cycle of negativity. Instead, learn how to make this cycle more constructive. An English coach can help you to change these negative thoughts and as a result, break this vicious cycle. Now that you know why your subconscious mind is very important on your journey of speaking English confidently, let's talk about some practical techniques that can help you use both of your minds to make your journey of confident English more effective. One of the best ways to practice speaking English confidently on your own is by journaling in English. I also always do it, and I've been doing it for as long as I can remember. I have different notebooks for different topics, and I always write in them in English, even though English is my second language. It's an amazing practice that will help your writing and speaking skills, and on top of that, it can help you clear your mind. We have different kinds of journaling. Choose whichever you like and start writing about your day, life, or anything that comes to your mind in English. Journaling will help you start thinking in English, find out the words you need and you don't know, and start using them in your everyday life. Visualization technique. The human mind can't distinguish between what's real and what's not real. And that's why when we start thinking about stressful situations that are not real and haven't happened yet, we start to really feel stressed because our mind cannot separate the two things. So we can use this consciously in our advantage. Imagine situations where you successfully communicate in English. Visualization can increase your confidence and help you program your subconscious mind for success. This will help you manage your stress better and speak confidently when in the situation. This is a technique that successful people and great athletes use all the time to perform better each time and succeed. Meditation and relaxation. Create a relaxed environment for learning. Stress and anxiety can slow down or stop your learning process. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness can help you create a positive environment in which you can learn better. My interest in meditation started when I came across Dr. Joe Dispenza's books, and I absolutely recommend it if you'd like to learn about the science behind this. Meditation and mental practice are great techniques to use for success, including speaking English confidently. We will discuss this topic more in a separate video. And if you're interested in that, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, and you will be notified when the video is uploaded. Now, let me know in the comments section which technique you would like to try next on your English journey. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.